Presenting the Ram 2020 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include black premium cloth bucket seats included, bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat power adjust 8-way driver seat folding flat load floor storage rear 60/40 folding seat front seat back mat pockets power 2-way driver lumbar adjust full length upgraded floor console, diamond black crystal pearl coat, heated seats and wheel group included, heated steering wheel mounted audio controls heated front seats leather wrapped steering wheel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift control, front fog lamps, spray and bud liner, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, and level 1 equipment group included, radio Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display Google Android Auto 1-year Sirius XM radio.